What's up everybody, how's it going? Today we got a new one. Today we have a mod. I got in some Alpha Rex taillights from Tacoma. They were on sale, so I couldn't pass it up, you know. These are the Alpha Rex taillights. These were the black smoked. They had like a red smoked, but I like these ones a little bit more. We'll see how it looks with the quicksand color. Yeah, we're gonna get that started right now. So I think first thing to do is take off two 10mm bolts right here. I think the one right here, and then I believe the one on the bottom. Yeah, we'll get that done right now. Alright, then I popped off those two screws. It was actually the bottom one right here, and then this kind of a second to top. So now you see that there's a little part of this metal piece goes into here. I believe there's a second one down here, so I gotta pop that out right now. Just like that, that's all loose, so it popped off, and luckily nothing broke. So I'm gonna switch out these three connections. We'll leave the bulbs in the old taillight because we won't need those. Those are all LED for the next ones, except for the new taillights. I think we still have to use these halogens on the bottom. If you want, you could just go ahead and buy an LED light to replace that, but for now I don't have one, so I'm just gonna keep the halogen for the bottom bulb. Just like that. Take out the old OEM taillight pretty easy. Alright, so just to take off these lights, they just pull out. So just like that. And then all we're gonna do is just connect this right here. And then we'll just repeat the process for this one. And then, like I said, for this bottom one, we just keep the halogen. Alright, I'm gonna turn on the car and we're gonna test those lights before we finish up here and put it back in. There you go, it's a turn signal right there. Very, very nice. Notice like oh shit, I didn't strip it in. Oh no, I broke it off. I barely tightened it. Well, these things aren't coming out ever. Alright, well don't over tighten these because these things aren't, it doesn't even feel like it's that tight. Or well, these things aren't ever coming out, so as long as they don't move, that's all I care about. Learn from my mistakes, people. So what I did wrong was I took off this bolt, and I was supposed to take the bottom one off, and it came right off. But that's what actually keeps your light in. Obviously, you just saw on that side, I broke that one off because it was already tightened. I was trying to tighten the wrong one. But good thing that screw actually doesn't even go to nowhere. It doesn't even go to nothing. That's this one right here. There's no purpose for it, as I could tell, just maybe to keep this frame from bending maybe. But yeah, this one doesn't really do anything. So thank goodness I can still remove my light in case there's something wrong. There you go. Black smoked out taillight from. I think they look nice. Compliment the truck real good. I'll do an overview here in a second. Nice. Alright everybody, as you can tell, it's night. I wanted to do this kind of a test at nighttime just to show you how bright these are. I hope you can actually see how bright these things are. Super bright. I love how it has like this tube. Looks like a tube right here. And this is super bright. You hit the brakes, definitely can see it. The reverse light, like I said, is not LED, it's stock, but you can, it's halogen, but you still can get an LED bulb for these. And I just love the way they pop out, how they look on this. I think they really go really well with this color. So I've had these for a year. I have had no issues, no dimming, no tube has gone out. The turn signals work just fine. Like I said, I picked these up at Tacoma Beast on their website. And if you liked it, please like and subscribe to my channel. And that would be greatly appreciated because this does take a while to make these videos, edit them. This is a 1-year review. So after 1 year, still running great, still look good, no issues. This will be the install and the review because I've had this footage for over a year and I've just been waiting to do the review and to edit the video and to put it up. And drop a comment, good or bad, hopefully not too bad, but just let me know what I do to make things better. And it's like 30 degrees out, it's 11 o'clock at night. This is this devotion I put into this channel. I'll even get off work and try to finish up this videos for you guys. I'll catch you guys on the flip side.